Welcome to the tutorial for creating your new teacher website at Mountain Ridge High School. My name is Andrew Lang. I'm one of the math teachers here at the school, and I also run the website. So the first thing I'd like for you to do is go ahead and launch your internet. We find that Chrome works best when using our school website, and so it's just mrhs.dvusd.org. Now once you go to that website, you'll notice that you're going to land on the home page, of course. Now what I would encourage you to do to get started here is go ahead and just look through a lot of the pages that are available. Our home page itself is going to hold a lot of information for the community and for our parents. It might interest you to keep your eyes on this throughout the year as well, because there's some quick links on there that are very helpful that you could use. And so what's going to happen is as you go through there, you'll notice that these channels, as you hover over them, will open up into other pages. The biggest thing obviously that we're working on today is the staff websites. Notice it doesn't open up when you hover over it, but when I do click on it, then I can actually go to all of the websites, teacher websites that are at Mountain Ridge High School. When you go through the rest of these here, again, I would encourage you to kind of click on some of these links and see what's being offered here, see what the community members look at, see what our parents look at. Because if parents do contact you and ask you for a specific thing, it's really nice to just be able to send them to a certain page on our teacher website here. So if you've already left that page, go ahead and click on staff websites again. And you'll notice that as you go and look at the staff websites directory, your name is there. Go ahead and find that and you'll see it. You'll be clicking on that in just a moment. But what I want to do is first look at a couple of teacher websites that are very clean, very nice, that you could use as examples for yourself. Alexis Leduca here, for example, has a very nice clean page. She has all of some pictures that are on here. Some of the needed information that's on here. In fact, I'll go over those in more detail, but real quick, I should say, is just having your name, your phone number, your room number, your email address, your current schedule, your office hours, and then your syllabus that's also listed, and her syllabus is right here. But yeah, I would encourage you just to look at some more staff websites here. Click on some, maybe even some people for maybe your department chair. That would be a good one to look at here and see what's being offered on their website. But do that first, and then our next video we will go ahead and get started with actual editing of your web page.